Hello everyone, this is the bear flag chart pattern. As the name indicates, the bear flag, its shape is similar like the flag. The bear flag is a continuation pattern which only occurs in a downtrend. This is, for example, this is the downtrend, it occurs only in a downtrend. The interpretation of the bear flag is that it indicates the continuation of the downtrend. Whenever the bear flag is found in a downtrend, it indicates that the price will continue to drop further. The bear flag is strong bearish pattern which helps us to identify continuation of the trend. Like for example, this is the downtrend and the bear flag gets formed. It indicates the continuation of the trend. This is an hypothetical example. This is the pole of the flag. The price is consolidating between the trend lines over here, and upon the breakdown of the trend line we have to take entry. The interpretation is pretty simple. The target for the bear flag pattern would be the same size of the flag pole towards downside. For example, this is the flag pole. Upon the breakdown, it would be the same towards the downside. Let's measure this. This is the length of the flagpole. Upon breakdown of the trend line, we have to take entry and our target would be exactly at here. This would be our target for the bear flag pattern. Now let's go to the chart and find real life example. This is the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar live chart. Let's see. As you can see, the price was in a downtrend already. This was the pole of the flag and a flag like structure appeared over here. The price is consolidating over here. The trend line got broke. This was the breakdown of the trend line. And now what would we do? The target for our pattern would be the length of the flagpole. We would measure the length. This is the length of our flagpole and this would be our target from the breakdown to the downside, and straight this was our target. Price continue to further get down. So this was the bear flag pattern. I hope you have enjoyed and you have learned. Let's move on to our next lecture.